Der skal vi have bare full. Then you're under my command.
Fire! My name is Fari. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day. I'm back! And I just got the message right now. Welcome to Fredrikstad. The word of the day is Kulturminne. I don't know what the word means, but it's time to check the word out.
A Kulturminne is basically a visible trace of the past and can best translate to a cultural memory. It can be anything from houses to ships to burial mounds to jewelry to piles of rock. A Kulturminne is unique and irreplaceable and a big part of the Norwegians' heritage. And since Norwegians are very proud of their history, it is needless to say that they are experts at preserving these unique memories of the past.
So we're 5 minutes away from the center of Fredrikstad in a place called Gullskår. So this is a place where you find ancient drawings, helleristninger. I think I said it right, from way, way back. I think I just found one. I think that's a boat, Viking ship maybe. You know, when you touch these, they're curved into the stone. This looks like a ship. 1, 2, 3 human beings in the ship, and this looks like an upside dog. I think these were men because it looks like a penis. I think. Okay, we move forward and we try to find some other helleristninger. Whoa! This is awesome. You can try and take a selfie. This is the most famous helleristninger. According to my calculations, that's some Zumba dance. Maybe he's dancing tango, you know, like the tango. He reminds me of me. You see these, the cuffs? Look at my cuffs. You see how big my cuffs are? Look at how big that is. Wow. Because wherever you go, you just see them. So this whole place must be something special. And that's what they call a kulturminne. What is a kulturminne?
I actually really don't know the definition, but I think it's a place that has a cultural meaning. The castle could be a kulturminne because it has something to do with the culture.
Yeah, a painting can be a Kulturminne.
Kulturminne is something special to see. It can be from the war, or it can be like a nice monument that's old.
Kulturminne is old church, Akershus fortress. This is sort of a Kulturminne. Yeah.
Nice, thank you. Okay, so here it says the ships help us to bring the wonderful Kulturminne out in the light. I think that was correct. Oh, and it says it's allowed to go inside and touch them. I see a ship right there. Hello, shippy. Ma, ma. Okay, I think he's calling for me. Oh, no, no. This whole place is filled with water. So that's what he was trying to do. He was calling me for me to go into the water. Mad to you too. You look very nice. You look strong. Yes, you're a strong, independent woman. I like that. She's very friendly, indeed. Welcome to Northern Europe's oldest fortress town. You must be wondering, why build a fortress? Maybe they were trying to hide away from their bad neighbors, or maybe they just wanted peace. And this is also like one of the biggest Kulturminne because it's the whole city. And I have seen pictures from above. This whole place has like this star structure. For me, that represents like some type of city strategy. So let's just go inside and check it out. I think the small train looks very nice. It looks very attractive. It's calling on to me. Excuse me, sir. Is it possible to take a ride on the train?
Yes, please take a seat. I'll help you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Toot toot! It's called the Old Town, so it's very old. You know, just the buildings, the way the road is, you know, it's very bumpy. Look at that, they're about to hang the other guy. Oh no! I love the old city, man. Okay, sir. Thank you for the trip.
Thank you. I hope you had a nice ride.
Yes, I had. It was very fun. Next time, I'll bring my friends with me.
Do that.
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye now. Have a nice day forward. I'll try and say hi. I'm a little bit scared and nervous. Hello, sir.
Good morning.
I was just wondering what is happening here.
We are reconstructing the military culture of this city from
Okay.
1704.
Okay. The fortress, because when you see it from, when you see the pictures from above, it's like it has like these stars.
This is made as a star because it's possible to shoot from one of the bastions over to the other one.
Okay.
So if an enemy gets onto one of those edges, he'll be shot in the back.
Who was the enemy that was trying to disturb you guys?
The main enemy in our country has always been the Swede. All these fortresses are made to fight that way.
Okay.
And that's why the Swedish king, when he came from that direction.
From that direction.
Yes.
Okay. Why is this city a Kulturminne?
All the buildings here are remains of history. This is the center, actually, of the resistance in Norway at the time.
I didn't mean to disturb you guys, but I was just wondering if I can, you know, maybe just hang around and match with you guys, if it's possible.
Then you're under my command.
Okay.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Da ska vi ha en puss.
Forwards, march.
do you want?
Is it okay if I can hold the musket?
Yes, of course.
This?
All the way up to here.
Oh. Ah. Slag. Fire! I would like to say thank you for everything, and thank you that I could join you guys. I learned so much, and now I'm asking for permission to leave since I can be with you guys longer. But I promise to be back to protect the Kulturminne.
You're heartily welcome. Permission granted.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Visit Norway for giving me this perfect word for today, Kulturminne. I have learned so much and I have experienced so many things that are going to be Kulturminnes in my heart. So thank you so much and see you next time. Can't wait to get the next word. Goodbye.